Exercise number 1.3. Fourth problem. Express the following decimals in the form of P by Q and write the prime factors of Q. What do you observe? So first we are going to write these bits in P by Q form. Then we will take out the factors of Q, that means denominator. After that we will observe whether it is a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal. So let us start with the first bit. So solution. So what is given? 43.123. Let this as be x. So let x is equals to 43.123. Now we will express this in P by Q form. Now express the given number in P by Q form. So here we will get 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. So digit, after how many numbers digit is there from back side? 3. So we are going to write 3 zeros, that means 1000. So here 1000 can be written as 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000. So 43, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 by 10 cube. So now factorize the denominator. We will factorize the Q. Q means denominator. So we get 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 by 2 5s are 10. So whole cube. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 by this cube goes to power for 2 and 5 for 5. So 2 cube into 5 cube. Now you can see the denominator, since denominator is of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So denominator is of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. Therefore 43.123. So what did we observe? We observed that if the denominator is in this form, then this number is a terminating decimal. Let us do the second bit. So what is the second bit? So let us write in solution. Let x is equals to 0.120121. So here first we will multiply with 10. So this is our first equation. Multiply first equation with 10 on both sides. 10 into x is 10x. 10 is having single zero. So that means this decimal, when we multiply to this number, this decimal goes after one digit. So 1.201201. So this is our second equation. Now we will multiply. As you can see, 201 is repeating. So that means it is having 3 numbers. So we need such a number which is having 3 zeros, that is 1000. So we will multiply this second equation with 1000. So multiply second equation with 1000 on both sides. So 10 into 1000, that will be 10,000. X is equals to. So when we multiply with 1000, this decimal goes after 3 numbers. So 1.201. This is our third equation. Now we will subtract second from third equation. subtract second equation from third. So 3 minus 2. We will get 10,000x is equals to 1201.201 and 10x is equals to 1 point. Here we have to remember that decimal should be in one line, in one vertical line. So 1.201. Here we will get 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 1 is 9, x is equals to. Here when we subtract this, we get 1, 2, 0 and 0. If we forget this 2, 0, 1, we will get 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay. Then we will send this to that side. So x is equals to 1, 2, 0, 0 by 9,990. So 0, 0 get cancelled. So if we cancel 120 by 999, so 3 4s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are. So 40 by 333. So here the denominator is not of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So since denominator is not of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, therefore it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Third bit, 43.12 bar. So bar is on two numbers. So let us write, let x is equals to 43 point. So what is repeating? 1 2. So 1 2 1 2 up to so on. This is our first equation. Let us take so here periodicity is 2. So 2 zeros having such a number, we have to find it should have a 2 zeros, so that is 100. So we will multiply the first equation with 100. So multiply first equation with 100 on both sides. So 100 into x, 100x. So 100 is having 2 zeros. So that means this decimal goes after 2 digits. So 4312.12 and we can take how many we want, that much we can take. So it goes on. So it is the second equation. Next, now we will subtract first equation from second. So subtract first equation from second. So what is the second equation? 100x is equals to 4312.1212 up to so on, and x is equals to 43 point. So decimal should come after decimal. So 43.1212 up to so on. So when we subtract this, we get 0. So here 11, 10, 12, 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9 and 10 minus 4 is 6, 2, 4. And 100x minus 1x is 99x. So 99x is equals to. Now we will send this 99 to the denominator. So we get x is equals to 4269 by 99. So 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 1 left, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we have got x is equals to 1423 by 33. Here the denominator is not of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So when we take out the factors, we get 3 into 11. So it is not in the form. Since denominator is not of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, therefore it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Next is fourth bit, 0.63 bar. So bar is on two numbers. So let us take, let x is equals to 0.6363 up to so on. This is our first equation. So here bar is on two numbers, so the periodicity is 2. So we have to multiply with 100. So 100 is having two zeros, that's why we will multiply the first equation with 100. So multiply first equation with 100 on both sides. So 100 into x is 100, x is equals to, so 100 is having two zeros, so decimal, the point, this point goes after two digits, so 63.6363 up to so on. This is our second equation. Now we will subtract the first equation from second. Subtract first equation from second. So 100x is equals to 63.6363 up to so on, and x is equals to 0.6363 up to so on. So 100x minus x is 99x is equals to, this all becomes 0 after decimal. So we are having 63 minus 0 is 63. Send this 99 down. So x is equals to 63 by 99. So we can cancel with 9 as well as with 3. So let us go with 9 table. 9 7s are 63. 9 11s are 99. So x is equals to 7 by 11. So here denominator is 11. It is not in the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So let us write, since denominator is not of the form 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, therefore 0.63 bar is a non-terminating repeating decimal.